Kum Shibanta Jong ka Jingrakhe ka Jubilee Ksiar Jong ka Amnaram Subdivision. But ka Jinkan Mauburom ya ka 5th Foundation Day ka Ministry of Cooperation ka Sarkar India ka Office Subdivisional School Education Officer SDSEO Amnaram. Ringkat ka Jingatri lang but ka Office Sub-Registrar of Cooperative Societies SRCS Amnaram. Kilapan long ya ka Jingakop ka Batim kum ka Amnaram Golden Jubilee Quiz Competition ha Training Hall BDO Amnaram CNRD Block. Ha ka program ka bala penyat da ka kong Diamond Cream ka Dr. W. Sumer District School Education Officer West Giant Hills District kalalong kum ka kongsan ha ka jingdon lang u Dr. D. Lingdo Block Development Officer Amnaram CNRD Block kum sembut kongsan na lor kiway-kiway. Ha ka ni ka jinga cop quiz la saki ya ka jinga shimbenta na ki South League School jong ka subdivision kata ka Sokha Government High Secondary School ka CM Jingsuk High Secondary School Padu High Secondary School but Nong Talang Government High Secondary School. Kinong job ha ka ni ka jinga cop kilong ka Sokha Government High Secondary School kalawan ha ka kerdan ka baningkong da ka bakhor Arsan Point. Ka Nong Talang Government High Secondary School kalawan hagaker dan kabaar da kabakamay Arpo Point kat ba kasim Jingsuk High Secondary School kalawan hagaker dan kabalay da kabakhor Shipho Point. Lasamru ikus nam kerpang na kabentag school kibaya shimbanta kata ka Manghai Ruum High Secondary School, Laishnong High Secondary School, Riwar Jaintia Church of God, but Kapadu High Secondary School.
Amnaram Subdivision, the fact that Amnaram Subdivision has reached this momentous milestone of 50 years is a pride to not just Amnaram alone, to West Giant Hills, as well as to our government, to the state of government of Meghalaya as a whole. First and foremost, when I look at you all, my dear students, I would say that no program can succeed. A program hardly becomes successful without the participation of you all as students. The presence of students in almost all sector, I would say, any kind of celebration, I would always say that it's because of the presence of students. They are like flowers that can bloom in any garden. So, thank you very much to you all, my dear students. I know today the program has been so arranged, so organized by the Department of Education, SDSEO Amnaram, because it will add vibrations to the entire program. Today's program has been so organized in order to mark to celebrate 50 years of pioneering spirit as Meghalaya's first subdivision to reach this milestone. It's also glad to learn that alongside that celebration, there is also a commemoration of the 5th Foundation Day of the Ministry of Cooperation, Government of India. So it will widen the knowledge, especially of you all, dear students. The fact that you're all the time in the four walls of the classroom will make life too monotonous. So it's good that you also participate in this type of program. You'll be able to translate whatever you learned in the classroom to reality. Now, I know there is quiz competition today. At the time when I reached here, I can still see some of you the program was still carrying on. So therefore, when we talk about this type of competition, we know that this quiz competition is not just a test of your facts, of the figures, but it is a celebration of your curiosity. I know many of you will have to prepare. You have to. Teachers are there to guide you, of course, but the preparation is all yours. I appreciate the self-confidence because whenever you get this type of program, it will develop that curiosity in you, and it will build up your self-confidence, which is one of the important, very important factor that our students should possess. It is a tribute to all of you who dare to ask why, who seek out the answers hidden just beyond the surface, and who understands that knowledge is the greatest catalyst for change. I know not all will become winners, but remember, the fact that you have participated here is a fact that you have become a winner. Because when you get a platform to express yourself, you'll be able also to shed off your, your shyness, and you'll be able to rise ahead, in your life. And as we understand today that we have the new education policy, and new education policy actually will transform the learning by integrating not just extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. It will be on an equal footing with academic subjects. Therefore, with new education policy, we understand that we have to think outside the box. We need to develop critical thinking. You need to understand multidisciplinary flexibility. That is the goal of new education policy. It will help you to develop your skill. It is kind of skill-based learning. So therefore, don't just take quiz competition or any kind of competition to be something that you are forced to do, that your teachers ask you to do, that the department asks you to participate. It's not that. Remember, you start building your life. You start building the stepping stones of your life. To understand that today we not only concentrate on books. Remember, what is important is to be able to face any challenges in life, to know about holistic development, because it is through holistic development that will help you to prepare for various complexities of everyday life. And not just examinations, not just job descriptions, even your own, the entire environment around us. So therefore, on the basis of this, I once again would like to congratulate each one of you, the students who are participating in this program, and especially to all the teachers. You are the guiding light behind every child. And remember that as teachers, don't forget that, to always be the torchbearer for our future generation. With these few words, thank you very much.